Let's go. John, look at this. Woo! My shoes are disgusting now. Let's go. Your shoe! Your shoe fell out. Whoa. That was cool. I got that on camera. Oh, I got your shoe.
Man, I hate them.
What?
I hate them.
Also, I think I just got a big lightning bolt on camera.
Really?
Yeah. Here you go.
I hate them.
Hmm?
Look that whole way down, it's like a boom boom.
Yeah. So I was like, woo, woo, boom, boom. Let's go. What? Yep.
Okay, this will feel good.
It really does feel good. Let's go. We was up there earlier. What? Nothing. I was telling the camera we was up there earlier.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we was.
Yeah.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, my butt's just hurt.
Your shoes are still in.
They are?
Yep.
Alright, good.
Somehow.
I don't know how.
Me neither.
You ready to go?
Yep. Goodbye. Pretty place. We're leaving now. It was very fun. We ate lunch on top of the world. We literally rode bikes across the world. It feels like.
Yeah, I know. Let's go.
Let's go. We're finally going down.
I know we're trying to get that down. Whoa, quicksand.
Quicksand everywhere. We drove through it raining earlier though.
I'm healed.
I'm kind of killed. I'm not really dead yet. It's washed out pretty bad. Oh! Yeah, them rocks are really bad. Hit it wide open. Woo! crazy. Machetes. We're almost down. We're almost down already.
I know, it's going. I'm actually kind of scared.
You're actually scared?
A little.
Is it really that bad?
It's so rocky.
We can just, like, we can go slow, like this slow. Yeah, it's very rocky. Yeah. I see a path. I'm getting my legs destroyed. On your right, on your left, here we go. Oh, ow. Ow, my knee. Yeah, that was great. I see a way. Let me go first. All right, watch out. Oh man, this way is not really that good. Woo! Snake! Oh man, that's a big snake. I hate it. Dang. I hate snakes. That snake, I hate the snake. I hate that snake. I hit that thing right in the back.
You ran over it?
I ran over it.
What did you do?
Nothing. I just flattened it on camera.
Oh my god, that thing scared me to death.
If we're on camera, we go, snake!
For a whole eyeball there.
Yeah. Well guys, it's been a video for today, the biking video.
It's been fun, you guys. I just want to thank you so much for watching the video, and you know everything to do if you liked it. And
If you guys leave a like, John, jump in right now.
yeah,
Or he'll do it regardless.
yeah, true. So if you leave a like right now, I'm gonna jump in that pool. Did you do it?
They liked.
You guys liked?
They liked it.
All right.
Well, we went from way up there. Hold up. We went from all the way up there to down here. That was really amazing. Well, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye!
Bye.
Guys, we're getting a convenient ride. We really have walked miles upon miles today, and our bikes are getting a lift in the back of our truck up the hill. See, normally we have to walk up this right here. Watch this.
Fucking little munchies.
Woo! They're bikes. We would normally have to walk up this. It's so much better. This is great. Woo! I don't feel very safe. I'm standing up. Now watch for your shirt.